This is like a new DJI Phantom 3 Advance. It's got about 4 flights on it, 3 decent flights and 1 short one. One of them was long range, and I got about 3 miles on it with a clear picture. I added this wave runner about 2 miles. It kind of got a little static, and I added this to it and kept aiming it at the drone, and it would come in clear. I was taking in 27K, whatever you call it. But anyway, it one that flies great. I got about $1,000 in this thing, counting this hard shell. $700 shipped anywhere in the lower 48. And I may still have the original box that come in, and I may have the paperwork still. I took it out because it had a bunch of different color stickers, and I actually don't remember what I done with it. But if I find it, that goes along with it. $700 shipped.